morning is the first contest of the day, and we have 3 amazing schools here this morning competing for a slot in the semi-finals. I'm very certain that in the next 2 hours, we'll find out which school would make it to the next stage of the competition. Before we proceed, it is important that I let you know that this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. The Junior Science and Maths quiz has been designed by a dedicated team of experts specifically for our learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit the understanding of basic principles underlying life and the physical sciences. This program we expect to promote teamwork and critical thinking among our students from the very early stages of their academic life. I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. We couldn't have made it this far without the support of our sponsors. And it is only important and right that I do that before we begin the competition for the day. And so we are very grateful to our sponsors who have been supporting us over the years. We are grateful to you for coming on board, and we say thank you very much. This year, the Junior Science and Maths quiz is proudly supported by KNUST E-Learning Center. For all our media and video coverages, we say we are grateful. KNUST Institute of Distant Learning, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. DEX Technologies, at DEX Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge around a reality. You make it very exciting and hands-on. We are also grateful to Ghana Grid Company Limited, Gridco. They are providing us reliable electricity grid for development. We are also thankful to MTN Stakeholders Management. MTN, we say everywhere you go. We are grateful to Nestle Ghana Limited. Good food, good life. To our media partner, Kesben TV. Thank you, Kesben TV, our media partners, for partnering us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We are deeply grateful. We appreciate your dedication and support and collaboration. I can't leave out our headmasters and our teachers who have been very supportive over the years. They do most of the work. We thank you for being a part of the Junior Science and the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz edition. And to our teachers for nurturing these young learners. You do all the hard work, and we say thank you and I equal to you. We are also grateful to our gallant contestants who have decided to represent their schools. Please give them a round of applause. And to my beautiful audience seated in the auditorium, you also deserve a round of applause. And our audience following us on all our social media platforms, we say thank you and welcome on board. I am Professor Mrs. Linda Ahenkra-Funjo, an associate professor at the School of Medical Sciences and the head of Department for Molecular Medicine at the School of Medical Sciences here in KNUST. And I am delighted to be your quiz mistress for this morning competition. I deserve a round of applause. Thank you. For this morning round of competition, we have 3 competing schools, and I'll take turns to introduce these schools. We have Galaxy Sterling Community School. We have BACE Model JHS School. And then we have Woodbridge International School. Now that we know the schools competing this morning, we need to meet our contestants, right? Good. So we'll start with Galaxy Sterling Community School. You tell us your name, your class, and something you like doing. Share something that you like doing with us. Good.
My name is Jedidia Detex Nabwaji, and I'm in grade 8, and then I like reading.
He likes reading. A round of applause for him. Good.
Islin Cecilia Wenesoma Akandi. I'm in grade 8 and I love reading.
They love reading at Galaxy International. Galaxy Sterling Community School. Wonderful. Next is BACE Model School. Could you kindly introduce yourself to us? Yes. Speak into the mic. Okay. IT, can you check our mic for us? Certainly your mic is being fixed. So Woodbridge International School, kindly put on your microphone and introduce yourselves to us. Your mic is You like gadgets. He likes gadgets. A round of applause for him.
My name is Mikel Achampon, and I like singing.
He likes singing. Maybe after the competition, we'll have a duet, right? Good. A round of applause for them again. BACE Model, let's try once more. Okay, let's give it a short minute. round of applause. We have already met the contestants for Galaxy Sterling Community School, Woodbridge International School, and we are yet to meet BACE Model. And so, BACE Model, kindly introduce yourselves to us and tell us your hobbies.
My name is Ayer Samax, and I like reading.
He likes reading. Round of applause.
My name is Abdulaziz Abdul Wahid, and I also like reading.
He also likes reading. Round of applause. Wonderful. Before we begin, it is important that I let you know that your microphones are to remain on, so please switch on your microphones. Thank you very much. And also, we need to test our buzzers. Do you all have your buzzers in front of you? Good. So, Woodbridge International, can we hear the sound of your buzzer? Wonderful. BACE Model? Beautiful. Galaxy Sterling? Thank you very much. Now, you leave your microphones on till the end of the competition. Is that clear? Good. Now, we are about to begin. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Good. In this round, in this contest, we have 5 rounds. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is the science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. Round 5 is the Global Nobel Prize Awards. Now, for each round, I will be reading the instructions, and yours is to listen carefully to the instructions. And so we begin, my contestants, with round 1. This round consists of questions in biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 50 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question, which means that once the school has exhausted their 2 options and the bell has not been rung, you have the opportunity, and they get it wrong, you have the opportunity to go for it as a bonus. The bonus questions are open to the 2 schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. Thus, no point is scored even if you are right. Are we clear? You have my best wishes, Woodbridge International School, BACE Model School, Galaxy Sterling Community School. Now, let the games begin. Question 1, you have a preamble. A student wants to electroplate a nickel spoon using a solution of nickel NiSO4, nickel sulfate. A current of 2 ampere is passed for 1 hour. Molar mass of nickel equals 58.69 grams per mole, and Faraday constant equals 96485 coulombs per mole. Galaxy Sterling Community School. Calculate the mass of nickel deposited on the spoon.
What? Mass.
Yes, go ahead.
Mass, should I say moles? Moles or what? 21.31 moles.
That is not correct.
I said what? Tell me.
Bonus to the other schools. BACE model.
4.8 grams.
That is also incorrect. Since you all have a preamble, I would leave the answer for now. BACE model, your question. Calculate the new mass if the current is doubled.
Mass is within.
2.33 grams.
No.
I'm having a different answer. No, don't.
You still have an attempt? And that was your Bell Galaxy as a bonus.
117.38 grams.
No. Woodbridge International, your question. Write the half equations for the cathode and anode reactions.
No, it said nickel and sulfur. That's it. It said equation.
Your Bell Galaxy Sterling.
NiSO4 yielding into Ni plus SO4.
No. All right. So for Galaxy Sterling, your question was to calculate the mass, and you needed a formula to calculate that. M, where M is molar mass of nickel, and then you need the electric charge, and then you divide that by the number of electrons and by the Faraday's constant. When you input all of that, you should have a mass of 2.19. And then for BACE, when you're to calculate the new mass when the current is doubled. So based on the answer from the previous, you double your current, and so you have 2 multiplied by the previous mass to give you a value of 4.38. And then for Woodbridge, you were to write the half equations. For the cathode reaction, your equation should have just been nickel 2 plus 2 electrons to give you the solid nickel. And then for the anode reaction, the nickel, the solid nickel loses electrons to give you nickel 2 plus 2 electrons. So that is what I was expecting from you. Now to question 2, you have another preamble, and listen carefully. It says, explain the following. BACE model, you have 15 seconds. A drop of food coloring is added to a glass of water. Over time, the color spreads throughout the water. Explain why this happens.
So this happens because of diffusion, and that is when the food coloring is dropped in the water, the molecules of the food coloring move from their region of higher concentration to their region of lower concentration. filling the whole water and changing the color to that color of the food coloring.
Can we give them a round of applause? Correct for 2 points. Woodbridge International School. If a red blood cell is placed in salty seawater, it shrinks. Why does this happen?
When it is placed in a salty seawater, since the seawater is concentrated, it triggers the movement of all the water and other things in the red blood cells. Hence, the red blood cells shrink.
And what is that process?
It is termed osmosis.
I'll give it to you for 3 points. Galaxy Sterling, 15 seconds. Root hair cells absorb mineral ions from soil, even when the concentration is lower in the soil than inside the cell. How do they manage to do this?
So this is through diffusion. And so the minerals move from a higher concentration, which is in the soil, into the root cells, and then it is transported up by the...
That was your bell, and unfortunately it's incorrect.
Okay, so this happens due to active transport, and this is because active transport uses the cells of the root hair to send the molecules against their concentration gradient into the cell, even though it's is in a...
I'll give it to them for a bonus point. Question 3, you have another preamble. 15 seconds for this. A tall office building has an elevator that receives multiple floor requests from passengers. The elevator must decide the order in which to stop at floors to reduce overall waiting time and avoid unnecessary back and forth movement. Woodbridge International School. What type of algorithmic problem does this situation present? To Galaxy Sterling?
Loop until stop.
No. I'll move to the next school since you have the same preamble. Galaxy Sterling, your question. Suggest one algorithmic approach the elevator could use to handle floor requests efficiently.
Iteration.
No. You have one more attempt.
Linear search.
No. BACE model.
Okay, so for example, people moving from floor 4 to floor 1, when they move from floor 1, when the elevator takes them from floor 1, floor 4 to floor 1, then those in floor 1 who are going to floor 9 will enter, and the elevator will take them to floor 9, and it goes in that cycle.
Did you get my question? Suggest one algorithmic approach. I don't think I got an approach. And so I'll move to the last school, which is BACE. Explain why this approach works well in reducing unnecessary travel time.
This is because it prevents the elevator from going back and forth. also prevents it from being overcrowded.
Do you want to go over your answer again?
It prevents the elevator from moving back and forth between different floors.
I'll give it to you for 3 points. We move to question 4. You have another preamble. A boy is standing beside a clear pond on a sunny day. When he looks into the water, he sees a fish that appears to be floating just below the surface, even though the pond is much deeper. That is your preamble. Now, Galaxy Sterling Community School. Which phenomenon causes the fish to appear at a different depth, and explain briefly?
So this is refraction. And refraction occurs when light moves from an optically less dense medium into an optically denser medium, which will bend towards the normal.
I'll give it to you for 3 points. BACE model. In reality, is the fish located deeper or shallower than the position where the boy sees it? Explain briefly.
The fish is the
I can barely hear you.
The fish is deeper than it actually is. This is because the light rays are moving from a less dense medium to a medium, which makes them move towards the normal.
Correct for 3 points. Woodbridge, your question. Why does the light change direction when leaving water?
Because its speed changes as it enters the denser medium.
I'll give it to you for 3 points. Question 5, you have another preamble. The sequence of numbers 2, 6, 18, 54, and it goes on indefinitely. That is your preamble. BACE model. Find the sum of the first 6 terms.
$728.
That is correct for 3 points. Woodbridge. Find the sum of the first 8 terms.
What are you getting?
That's your bell bonus to Galaxy Sterling.
6,310.
No. Now, Galaxy Sterling, your main question. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. was your bell? BACE model?
177,147.
No. So for Woodbridge, if you did the calculation well, you should get 6,560. You were quite close, Galaxy. And then for Galaxy, for the first 10 SEMs, you should have gotten 59,048. All right, question 6, you have another preamble. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions, of course, cannot be passed on as bonuses. So Woodbridge International, centrifugation separates substances based on differences in density.
True.
Is correct for 3 points. Galaxy Sterling, chromatography separates components based on neither their differences in solubility and affinity.
True.
That is incorrect. BACE model, sublimation can be used to separate a mixture of two liquids.
False.
False is correct for 3 points. Galaxy Sterling, Charles's law states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature at constant pressure.
True.
True is correct for 3 points. BACE model, Boyle's law states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its pressure at constant temperature.
False.
That is correct for 3 points. Woodbridge. According to Avogadro's law, equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain an equal number of molecules.
True.
True is correct for 3 points. And on that true note, we have come to the end of round 1. Can we give them a round of applause, please? Once again, we are grateful to our sponsors, KNUST e-Learning, KNUST Institute of Distant Learning, Dext Technologies, Ghana Grid Company Limited, Gridco, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana Limited, and our media partner, Kesben TV. We are grateful to you for the support.
Aunt, please, sheets of paper.
Very well. I will pass you sheets of papers shortly. Can we give our contestants another round of applause? Now, at the end of round 1, Galaxy Sterling Community School has a total of 6 points. A round of applause. Woodbridge International School has a total of 6 points. And BACE Model JHS School has a total of 19 points. Now we begin round 2. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. Contestants, are we ready? Now listen to the instructions. 1 question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question. But in round 2, a wrong answer attracts a penalty of 1 point. Once again, my dear contestants, you have my best wishes. Magnesium hydroxide, when used to neutralize stomach acid, acts as an Galaxy Sterling.
Antacid.
That is correct for 4 points. Rubbing a balloon on hair. BACE model.
Electrostatic force.
Gives the balloon a dash charge. Woodbridge, your buzzer is blinking here.
It gives it a negative charge.
That is correct. For a bonus. All right. The next question, please. The kingdom that includes multicellular,
Kingdom fungi.
that is incorrect. Woodbridge,
Kingdom Animalia.
that is incorrect. Heterotrophic, non-motile organisms with cell walls made of chitin is called. Yes, go ahead.
Kingdom.
No. My answer is fungi. Next question. Asexual reproduction is usually faster than sexual reproduction because it does not involve Galaxy Sterling.
This is because it does not involve 2 parents to produce offspring, but it involves one parent to produce 2 or more daughter cells.
And that process is called.
And this can be in the form of binary fission.
No. Any other school? Time up. And so the answer I was hoping to hear is fertilization. The force that holds ions together.
Electrostatic force.
That, interestingly, is correct, even though you didn't allow me to finish my question. Well, I hope that you'd allow me to finish my questions. I know you are all eager to be the first to answer, but that was correct. Good. Next question. In a spreadsheet, charts and graphs are used to visualize galaxy stellar.
They can be found in the Insert tab.
That is not correct. Woodbridge.
It is used to visually represent data.
That is correct. Two vectors of magnitudes 8n and 6n. BACE model.
10N.
No. Act at an angle of 60 degrees to each other. Find the resultant vector. Note that cos 60 equals 0.5. Galaxy stellar.
4, 3.
No. Next question. Two lines have equations y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 1. Find the point of intersection. Galaxy stellar.
So the point of intersection is -2, 5.
No. Woodbridge.
The point of intersection is half.
No. The point of intersection is -2/3, 5/3. And that brings us to the end of round 2. Can we give our contestants a round of applause? That was some hits. Now our scores are ready. At the end of round 2, BACE model had a score of -3, so bringing their total score to 16 points. Galaxy stellar community had a total of 3, so bringing their total score to 9. And Woodbridge International School had a total of 6, bringing their final score to 18. Can we give them a round of applause? We are about to begin round 3. Are we ready, contestants? Good. Round 3 is our Science and Technology Challenge. And this is proudly powered by DEX Science Set. Now you have a preamble. And I hope that you listen whilst we get ready for our Science and Technology Challenge. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Once again, round 3 is powered by DEX Science Set. Now I believe you all have your preamble question, and I'll read it together and I hope that we can all follow. You have been provided with 2 resistors. Contestants, are you with me? Labeled R1 and R2. A 9-volt battery labeled BT1, 2 LEDs labeled D1 and D2, a switch labeled SW1, and a transistor labeled Q1. Now the task. Use the items provided to construct the circuits below. And you have the circuits in front of you. After you have constructed the circuits, observe what happens to both LEDs and record. Close the switch and observe what happens to the LED again and record. All right. Before we begin, a short break before we begin round 3. Good. Can we give our contestants another round of applause? So we are about to begin our round 3, which is the Science and Technology Challenge. You all have the same preamble. I'll read a preamble and the related questions, and then you can begin. So, the preamble. You are a security technologist in a bustling community in Accra. Many homes and shops have high walls and gates. Your new client, Madame Amma, owns a popular corner shop and needs a way for her customers to alert her when they are at the gate without having to shout. She has hired you to build a prototype for a simple and effective doorbell system. You have been provided with electrical components. Your job is to bring her security blueprint to life. So your task, therefore, is study the circuit diagram below. This is Madame Amma's security blueprint. 2, you are to identify the real-life components that match the symbols in the diagram. Construct the circuits exactly as shown in the diagram, in the building, to build the working doorbell. I would read that again. Construct the circuits exactly as shown in the diagram to build the working doorbell. Now your related questions. Now that your doorbell is working, explain to Madame Amma the role of each component in the system she paid for. 2, Madame Amma is impressed and thinks this could be useful for other businesses. Beside a home or shop doorbell, name 2 other real-life places or situations where this kind of alert system is commonly used. Before installing these systems, list 3 important safety rules you must always follow when building and testing electrical circuits, even with simple batteries. My contestants, is that clear? Are we ready? We all have our prototype before us and our questions, right? You have 15 minutes to deliver. Start work. Yes. Can we give our contestants a round of applause? We have come to the end of round 3, and so I would ask my contestants to bring their scripts to me. Woodbridge International. Thank you very much. You don't have your name, your school. Good. Woodbridge is here. BACE model. Thank you very much. And then Galaxy Sterling. Thank you very much. Please give them another round of applause. So I have the singular honor to take time to review what they have done, and shortly I will announce the scores. Thank you all very much.
partake in this year's competition. So far, so good. It has given the children the platform to experience world of academics outside the classroom. So we thank the organizers very much, especially registering without paying anything. They have really given the children the opportunity, as well as the teachers. Then we have also been given the platform to also know how to handle these children and prepare them for the brighter future ahead. We thank the organizers once again very much. And then we are also pleading that for Central Region, they expand the slots, give us at least 5 slots for us to come and showcase our talent. The children have done very well, and we hope that next year we'll be able to qualify, and then we come to Kumasi for the national program. We thank you once again, and may God bless all the organizers of this program, especially the KNUST. I understand it's a physics department. So God bless you, and thank you very much.
I'm Joanna Kran, a coordinator, JSMK coordinator in St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. I teach them through all the activities, teaching them mathematics, science, and computing and the stuff. Now I'm very happy that we've qualified for the national. My expectation is that we are going to work hard to compete with the KNUST BACE, Galaxy International, and also about the Nobel Challenge. We have prepared our students for that. And I think the organizing is very good. Everything was systematic, the time and the online, everything was perfect. Thank you very much. The technology and everything. That's the second time of experiencing online quizzes. Thank you very much. And also, I want to thank the organizers for this program. This program came with no fee, unlike other quizzes where you have to register for a fee. So we thank you very much, and we wish you safe journey. God bless you all.
My name is Dunyo Holi. I'm one of the coaches for University Junior High. And when I talk about the GSMQ, I'll say it's a very impactful program that is helping the students to broaden their knowledge before they get to the secondary cycle. And it will be a very nice experience to go against other schools during the national contest. And to our sponsors, we say, God bless you and thank you for supporting this impactful program. Thank you.
My name is Najiba Sumuma Suleiman Atia, and I'm from University JHS Yalta Okubi. I'm in GS9, and I qualified with my team for the quarterfinals this year. So all the other regions, all the other schools coming from the other regions, watch out and expect nothing but the best.
Hello, my name is Andra Nananaya Amo. I'm in Basic 9, a contestant of Junior Science and Maths quiz. So far, the quiz has been an interesting one, and we have qualified to the national. I want to thank the organizers for organizing such an interesting contest for students in the JHS level. Our expectations in the National Junior Science and Maths quiz is that we are going to perform better and excel so we can bring the trophy to our school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Kweku, a teacher at Alumina Methodist DHS. I'm a science teacher. In fact, this competition has been an interesting one. We really prepared well. As our motto goes, success lies in hard work. So we really prepared and we have come to do it. We are going to do it at Kumasi over there too. Those who are coming, we are coming to meet at the nationals. You should really prepare for us. We are coming to meet you like Kakai. For the sponsors, we have really done well. In fact, looking at the program from the beginning to the end, it has been a successful one. Talking about the plans that we put in place, it has been superb.
Success lies in
Hail, hail, Saint Nicholas, glory be to God.
Well done. So we have already gone through the preambles and what you were expected to do in the round 3 task. And so I came round to observe what you were doing. I have the score for Woodbridge International School. You were able to successfully connect your circuits and your doorbell was also ringing. And so for that, you get the total score, which is 4 points. And then for the related questions, you were to explain the role of each component. We were expecting to have that portion actually has a score of 6 points, but you were able to give me 5 out of the 6. What you missed out was the connecting wires. You stated everything, but you left that out. So out of 6, you get 5. And then for the second related question, besides the doorbell, which other real-life places or situations? You rightly gave me 2 places, which is the mall and at offices, so you get 2 points. And then for your third question, you were to state 3 important safety rules to always follow when building and testing electrical circuits, even with simple batteries. Out of the 3 answers that you gave me, 2 were right. The one that I marked wrong said the siren should not be too loud. I'm not sure what too loud is. So out of 3, I give you 2, which gives you a total of 13 out of 15. Now for Galaxy Sterling Community School, I came round. Your connection was almost true, but you connected the sound wrongly, and so we could hear the sound from a different place and not the doorbell. So, which means that you didn't quite do the connection right. So out of 4, I give you 2. And then for the related questions we're expecting 6. You were able to give me 4 good points out of the 6, and so you get 4 out of 6. You also left out the connecting wires. And you talked about the EBC allows multiple points for current to flow. No, but the others, the buzzer gives the sound, the battery converts the switch, the resistor. You gave me 4 right answers, so 4 out of 6 points. And then other places, you gave me 2 correct answers, so you get 2 out of 2 points. And then for the last point, which is the safety rules, of all that you stated, only one was right. You say connect the batteries in reverse bias, which is not right. Make sure they are connected in parallel, not quite right. Connect all the components in forward bias. So I give you 1 out of 3, and that gives you a total score of 9 out of 15. A round of applause for them. BACE model, I came around, but unfortunately, I didn't see that you were able to connect. Were you able? When I came round, you were struggling. Your bell were not ringing and all of that. Yes, your hand is up. You didn't call me to come and observe. When I came around to observe, none of your circuits was right. Your bell was not ringing. So out of 4, I'm being generous and I'm giving you 2 out of 4. For the role of each of the components, you gave me 5 correct points. You left out the connecting wires as well. So you have 5. You gave me correctly 2 points for other places where we can use this system. So 2 correct points. And you also gave me important safety rules. Out of 3, you get 2. And so the total score will be 11 out of 15. Can we give them a round of applause, please? And so, at the end of the 3rd round, particularly for round 3, Woodbridge has a total of 13, Galaxy has a total of 9, and BACE has a total of 11 points. Please give them a round of applause. Well done, contestants. We'll collate the entire scores and we'll let you have them shortly. All right, so at the end of round 3, we have our total scores ready. Galaxy Sterling Community School has a total of 18 points. Please give them a round of applause. It is not easy sitting here representing your school so well. BACE Models JHS School has a total of 27 points. And Woodbridge International School has a total of 31 points. Now, before we proceed to the next round, we have a few corrections to make. Now, during the round 2, there was a question on the kingdom that includes multicellular, heterotrophic, and non-motile organisms with cell walls made of chitin. And I think the first school to give the answer was Galaxy Sterling. What was your answer? What you said exactly?
Kingdom fungi.
All right. I think I agree. I didn't hear the fungi part. I only heard the kingdom. So we have reviewed our video, and we would give you the 3 points for that correct answer. Now, for the other correction to be made, there was a question again in round 2 that's read, 2 lines have equations y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 1. Find the point of intersection. Woodbridge answered wrongly. Galaxy Sterling answered wrongly. I think I didn't wait for BACE model to give me an answer. So we have agreed to give you a question to solve. And so your question. Find the point of intersection of the lines y equals 5x minus 7 and y equals 2x plus 4. Yes.
Okay, so we have...
That was your bell.
Point of intersection is 11 over 3, comma 84 over 3.
I would allow it for 4 points. Now the last correction to be made. This is for Woodbridge and Galaxy Sterling to compete for. So the argument here is that I want to get it correctly. Woodbridge School had pressed their buzzer, and I should have waited for you to give me an answer, but I still went on to read the question. And so we are giving Woodbridge and Galaxy Sterling an opportunity to compete for this question. And that question then was, rubbing a balloon on hair gives the balloon a dash charge. So the new question, which is to be competed for by Woodbridge and Galaxy Sterling this time, is rubbing glass with silk gives the glass a dash. Galaxy Sterling.
A negative charge.
And that is incorrect. No. No. This is, no. Calm down.
A positive charge.
Calm down. This is like a true or false question. And so if it's not true, it is false. And so it cannot go to you for an answer. I hope you understand that. Good. All right. Thank you very much. We'll collate the answers, the results, and announce in due time. We move on to round 4 of the competition. All right. Welcome back. Can we give our contestants a round of applause? I would like to go over our scores once again. Galaxy Sterling Community School at the end of round 3 has a total score of 22 points. BACE Model School has a total of 31 points. And Woodbridge International School also has a total of 31 points. And so on that score, we move to round 4. Round 4, this round,
the question you gave them, the answer after we solved, the x was negated, so the value has to be negative.
give me a moment. This round is decoding the clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points will be awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the fourth clue, 4 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication, 3 points will be awarded. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from the question and nullifies your answer, even if correct. Are we ready, contestants? Good. The first set of clues. I am a muscular, flexible, and highly sensitive organ. I am unique to each person. I have an upper surface, a lower surface, a tip or an apex, and not a base. My motility is essential for articulating sounds and forming words. BACE. The tongue is correct on the fourth clue. On the fourth clue. Second set. I am a body who belongs to the family of fungi. I can grow without water, sunlight, or soil. I lack chlorophyll and cannot produce woodbridge. Mushroom is correct on the third clue. Third set. Modern civilization is possible. No. Because people have learned how to change me from one form to another and then use me to do all work they need. Galaxy.
Energy.
Energy is correct on the first clue. On the first clue. The last set in this round. I am the worldwide study of matter and very essential to modern life. I help make possible thousands of products you rely on every day, from home and personal care products to clothing and sports equipment to automobiles and electronics. BACE.
Chemistry.
Chemistry is correct. On the second clue, on the second clue. And on that note, we come to the end of round 4. Can we give the contestants a round of applause? Well done, contestants. We have been proudly supported by a number of organizations, and we are grateful to Center, KNUST Institute of Distant Learning, DEX Technologies, GridCo, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana Limited, and our media partner is Kesben TV. At the end of round 5, Galaxy Sterling School has a total round 4. I think I'm in a hurry to end. So at the end of round 4, Galaxy Sterling Community School has a total of 28 points. Can we give them a round of applause? Woodbridge International School has a total of 36 points. BACE Model JHS has a total of 40 points. And so we move on to the last round of the day, round 5. Contestants, are you ready?
Please, we have to effect a substitution.
Good, thank you very much. We have to do some substitutions. And so in round 5, Galaxy Sterling, Jedidiah is going out and David is coming in. Islane is also going out and Elijah is coming in. Well done, my lady and gentlemen. A round of applause to David and Elijah. Round 5, BACE Model, Adam. Adam is going out. Okay, I think it should be this way. Aya Risa is going out and Adam is coming in. And Abdul Aziz is also going out and Kudus Shamima is coming in. Let's give them a round of applause. For Woodbridge International School, Michael Echampon is going out and John Dalla Apau is coming in. Samuel Benedict Kofi is also going out and Jacob Niemensa is coming in. So we have fresh new contestants for round 5. Welcome to you all. We ask you to settle in, introduce yourselves to us before we begin. So we start with Galaxy Sterling. Introduce yourselves to us and your hobby. Your hobby.
I am David Asiama and I like reading.
He likes reading. A round of applause.
I like reading. Elijah Fojo, I like reading.
He likes reading. A round of applause for them. BACE Model, introduce yourselves to us. Put on your microphone. Oh.
I like reading.
She likes reading. A round of applause, please.
My name is Adam Aida Tunteya, and I like reading.
She also likes reading. A round of applause to them, please. And then Woodbridge International School.
I'm Jacob Mensah, and I like reading.
He likes reading. Everybody likes reading. And yes, my contestant.
I'm John Dollar Apoltite, and I like reading.
They all like reading. This round is going to be a very wonderful, interesting round. Please give them all a round of applause. Now I'll begin with the instructions for round 5. There will be 3 sets of questions in this round. Each set has a main question and 2 sub-questions. Schools will compete to be the first to ring the buzzer. The first school to ring the buzzer will be allowed to answer the first question. If the school answers the question correctly, they have the right to answer the subsequent question. The main question will be passed on for full marks if it is incorrectly answered by the school that rings the buzzer first. Sub-questions in a set will be passed on as bonus if it is incorrectly answered. Bonus questions will be competed for by ringing the buzzer. 3 points for the main question and 1 point each for the sub-question. A point will be awarded for questions answered as bonus in this round. When any of the competing schools is not able to answer a question, the question ends. Thank you all very much. And so the first question in this round. The transistor was invented to replace what large electronic? Woodbridge.
Vacuum tube.
That is correct. And so you have earned the right to answer the next set of questions. Name 2 reasons transistors are better than vacuum tubes.
This is because transistors are faster than vacuum tubes, and also in vacuum tubes they are a lot, and if a single of them, they are about 1,800 going, and if a single of them gets damaged, the computer, the operator will malfunction, or the computer will not function properly.
Would you want to go over those answers again? Name 2 reasons transistors are better than vacuum tubes.
Firstly, transistors are faster than vacuum tubes. And secondly, there will be a need of a lot of vacuum tubes to help or to make a computer to function. But transistors are needed in a lesser amount as compared to vacuum tubes.
I'll give it to you. Now the second sub-question in this set. How have transistors changed modern technology?
Transistors led to the second generation of computers.
That is correct. The second question in this round. Ilya Prigogine discovered theories for systems that are not in equilibrium. Why are most biological and chemical systems not in equilibrium? That was the bell. And so that brings us to the end of this round. Come again. So because nobody was able to answer the question, restriction enzymes that cut DNA at specific sequences. How did discovery revolutionize molecular biology? Woodbridge.
This sequence helps scientists to know. Please, the question again.
Galaxy Sterling.
So it helped in reshaping or editing genes in specific organisms.
That I will give to you. So you have earned the right for the next question. What can scientists do now that they cut DNA at precise locations? Yes, the question
The
is
Cas9.
Repeat that.
The Cas9.
No. Time is up, and so that brings us to the end of round 5. Can we please give my contestants a round of applause? Well done, contestants. The Junior Science and Maths Quiz, once again, is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors. We are grateful to you for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. We are grateful to KNUST E-Learning Center, KNUST Institute of Distant Learning, DEX Technologies. You make our science and technology round very exciting and hands-on. We are grateful to GridCo. We are also grateful to MTN Stakeholders Management, MTN Everywhere You Go. We are grateful to Nestle Ghana, Good Food, Good Life. And we are also grateful to our media partner, Kesben TV. Thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitments to quality has significantly amplified our reach and impact. And for this, we say thank you for your dedicated support and collaboration. At the end of round 5, Galaxy Community School had a total of 3 points. And BACE model had no points in this round, whilst Woodbridge International had a total of 5 points. Now, we have a few more corrections to make, and so after the corrections, I will announce the total and final scores.
blue litmus paper changes to red, and the red litmus paper does not change color.
That is
All right, welcome back. Can we give our contestants a round of applause? Please, a resounding round of applause. I can't hear this pregnant applause. Please give it up to them. Thank you very much. Now that we have our protest resolved, we have our final scores after a very fiercely competed competition. Our contestants have proved their worth. You have delivered, and we at the Junior Science and Maths quiz are very proud of you. Now, at the end of the scores of the competition, we have our total score. Galaxy Sterling Community School has a total of 31 points. Please give them a round of applause. BACE Model School has a total of 40 points. And Woodbridge International School has a total of 41 points. It's been an exciting time engaging these amazing contestants and having you here as our audience. We are not done for the day. I say congratulations to all my competing schools, and the most of it all goes to Woodbridge International School for coming out tops in this round of competition. We are grateful to you all and see you in the next round of competition. Thank you and bye for now.